Welcome to GLA University. We aim to enable our students with such support to face the global challenges confidently. GLA University empowering education since 1998. GLA University is located at 17 km stone from Mathura city on the Mathura-Delhi NH2 highway. The nearest airport is Indira Gandhi International Airport, New Delhi. It is approximately 180 kilometers from the university. One can easily reach GLA University from airport via taxi. Mathura Junction is well connected to various cities of the country. The distance from the Mathura Junction to GLA University is approximately 18 kilometers. From the station, one can hire taxi very easily for GLA University. Mathura is linked to every main city in Uttar Pradesh and northern India via buses. The distance from the Mathura new bus stand to GLA University is approximately 17 kilometers. Traveling through the mystical streets, we finally arrive at our destination, our GLA University. The university was founded by the present Chancellor Shri Narayan Das Agrawal ji in 1998 in the memory of his father, the visionary late Shri Ganeshi Lal Agrawal ji. At present, the university ensures the recognition and approval of UP State Legislative Act 2010 and University Grants Commission, the UGC. It is also accredited as A grade by NAAC, National Assessment and Accreditation Council. It is also affiliated to the National Council for Teacher Education, NCTE, Pharmacy Council of India, PCI, and is also the member of Association of Indian Universities, AIU, Bar Council of India. The university also enjoys the privilege of being accredited by the International Accreditation Council for Business Education, IACBE. Now, let's welcome you all inside the university. But first, let's follow the safety parameters and sanitize ourselves. Moving towards our academic block 1, let's start our virtual meeting with our Honorable Chancellor Sir Shri Narayan Das Agrawal ji.
GLA विश्वविद्यालय में मैं आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं और अपेक्षा करता हूं कि जिस सोच के साथ आपने GLA विश्वविद्यालय में एडमिशन लिया है उसके लिए कठिन मेहनत के साथ आप पढ़ें, यही मेरा आशीर्वाद है, यही मेरी आकांक्षा है। धन्यवाद।
Now, after the blessings of Chancellor Sir, let's meet our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Falguni Gupta ji.
Hello, welcome to GLA University, Mathura.
Now, let's seek the blessings of our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Anand Mohan Agrawal ji.
Hi, welcome to GLA University Institute of Business Management.
Now, it's the time to meet the most enthusiastic and charismatic CEO of our university, Shri Neeraj Agrawal ji.
Hi buddies, welcome you all in GLA University. This is Neeraj Agrawal, CEO. Thank you very much.
Let's meet our Chief Financial Officer, Shri Vivek Agrawal sir.
Hello, dear students, welcome to the GLA family.
Let's now meet our Dean Academics, Professor Anup Gupta sir.
Hello friends, welcome to GLA University, Mathura.
Let's meet now our Honorable Registrar Sir, Shri Ashok Kumar Singh ji.
हेलो एवरीवन, GLA विश्वविद्यालय में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
The world of books is the most remarkable creation of man. Nothing else that he builds lasts. Let's enter this world of books, our central library. The university in-houses the branch of Indian Overseas Bank with ATM facilities to make your financial transactions easy. College canteen is the place where great ideas and bad decisions are born. It's a place where great sights and bad thoughts are born. Let's have a quick glimpse of the place where you are going to create memories to cherish forever. Hostel life, messy rooms, late evening roams, midnight chats, knock-off warden, kettle noodles, special in dinner. These things will never happen after hostel life, but will stay as memories forever. The co-curricular program really helps to develop each and every part of you. For this purpose, we have various clubs in our university. To name a few: Ninad, the music club; Natraj, the dance club; the Literario club; the nature club; the dramatic club; Drishti, the photography club. Play sports. It will teach you how to win honorably, lose gracefully, respect authority, work with others, manage your time, and stay out of trouble. Let's have a glimpse of the sports facility of our university.
Good morning to all. Myself, JP Singh, Sports Officer, GLA University, मथुरा. आप सभी फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स का स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट की तरफ से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आने वाला समय आपके लिए बहुत ही यादगार रहेगा. हमारे यहाँ कुल मिला के 10 कोचेज हैं और हमारे यहाँ पर एथलेटिक्स, बैडमिंटन, बास्केटबॉल, क्रिकेट, चेस, फुटबॉल, हैंडबॉल, वॉलीबॉल और टेबल टेनिस के साथ साथ तमाम तरह के जो भी गेम हो सकते हैं हम यहाँ पर कराते हैं और कोशिश करते हैं कि आप सभी को एक बेहतरीन माहौल दिया जाए. इसी के साथ बच्चों की फिटनेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए यहाँ पर हर हॉस्टल में एक अपनी खुद की जिम है जहाँ बच्चे कभी भी आके फिटनेस कर सकते हैं और अपने आप को चुस्त दुरुस्त कर सकते हैं. स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंट हर साल यहाँ पर नेशनल लेवल का टूर्नामेंट कराता है जो कि मैत्री के नाम से कराया जाता है. इस टूर्नामेंट में पूरे इंडिया से तमाम तरह की यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के बच्चे यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और अपने आप को साबित करते हैं. इसी के साथ हम यूनिवर्सिटी के बच्चों के लिए एक इंटर यूनिवर्सिटी टूर्नामेंट कराते हैं जो कि आगाज़ के नाम से कराया जाता है. इस टूर्नामेंट में यूनिवर्सिटी के बच्चे अपने अपने साथ में खेल के यहाँ पर कम्पीट करते हैं. सृजन जो कि एक इंटर स्कूल टूर्नामेंट होता है वो भी हम यहाँ पर कराते हैं जिसमें कि हमारे यहाँ तमाम स्कूलों के बच्चे आते हैं और खेलते हैं और बहुत ही खुश होकर जाते हैं. थैंक यू.
GLA University has 100 seats of National Cadet Corps NCC 10 UP Battalion Mathura. NCC cadets learn to take pride in them, and training also strengthens the spirit of being an Indian and gear them towards joining the defense forces. Along with this National Service Scheme NSS, which is a student-run volunteered organization sponsored and mentored by Ministry of Youth Affairs, Government of India. Life becomes a festival when gaiety and culture blends. To give vibrance to your college life, university organizes various cultural events like Spandan, Abhyuday, Agrita, Jhoom, Dandiya Nights, MasterChef, Bridge Literature Festival, and many more. Champions keep playing until they get it right. And to develop the champion in you, we have a team of professional trainers to groom your overall personality.
Yeah, please.
So we need to discuss about the Byju's that is arriving just after 2 days. So we need to discuss about like how we need to introduce ourselves and regarding that.
The objective of giving your introduction in companies like Byju is, the question may be, tell me something about yourself.
Yeah.
But the answer has to be, why should they select you?
Okay.
So you do not waste your time by telling them your name or any data that is present on the CV.
I'm sure with the bright and vibrant words of Suresh sir, you would now definitely would like to meet our next dignitary of the university, that is the Vice President Corporate Relations, Mr. Saurabh Goyal sir.
Hi friends, I am Saurabh, working as a Vice President Corporate Relation with Team Training and Placement, GLA University. Friends, I am happy to share with you that since last 2 years, the placement is more than 90% of the department. More than 260 companies here coming and patronizing us. Friends, if we talk about the placement of 2020 batch, the average salary offered is 6.28 lakh rupees per annum. The highest salary offered is 32 lakh rupees. Friends, Microsoft since last 2 years coming and patronizing us. Our 17 students got offer from Microsoft. Top 5 IT companies which include TCS, Accenture, Wipro, Capgemini and Infosys offers more than 600 offers to our students. Our alumni are working across the globe in companies like Amazon, Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, Intel, Qualcomm and many more. Friends, even in this pandemic, for 2021 batch, the students those who will be passing out in June 2021, we already have 30 online campuses. More than 100 students of Computer Science and Engineering department got offers. More than 70 students got their virtual joining. So this is in brief from my side about the placement. God bless you. Thank you so much.
GLA believes that your success is our success. Together we can and we will create new milestones in future. Dream big, start well, but most of all, start. And to kickstart your dreams, we have a dedicated entrepreneurship cell, the E-Cell, which helps to nurture the entrepreneur within you.
Under the umbrella of New Gen IDC, students get a grant of 2.5 lakhs rupees for converting their innovative ideas into prototype. Apart from funds, GLA University also provides mentorship, networking and other hand-holding measures to such bright students. After successful prototyping, students are being provided a platform called Startup Launchpad to commercialize the product and establish their startup company.
You can't enjoy wealth if you are not in a good health. To take care of any medical emergency which you face, we have a well-equipped in-campus medical dispensary, 24/7 ambulance facility and tie-ups with the local prominent hospital.
मैं डॉक्टर मनोज कुमार, GLA यूनिवर्सिटी मथुरा। हमारे यहाँ 5 मेडिकल ऑफिसर एवं 10 पैरामेडिकल का स्टाफ है। हम आप सभी का GLA यूनिवर्सिटी में हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं। हमारे यहाँ GLA यूनिवर्सिटी में 3 डिस्पेंसरी हैं, जो कि 2 गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में हैं, एक कैंपस के बीच में है और ये डिस्पेंसरी 24 आवर खुली रहती है। भगवान न करे आप लोगों में से कोई हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन की ज़रूरत पड़े, यदि पड़ती है तो हमारे यहाँ पेशेंट को ले जाने एवं लाने के लिए 2 एम्बुलेंस 24 आवर उपलब्ध रहती हैं। हमारे यहाँ का सभी मेडिकल स्टाफ आप लोगों की स्वास्थ्य की सेवा के लिए सक्षम है। धन्यवाद।
What mental health needs is more sunlight, more candor, and more unshamed conversations. To maintain your psychological well-being, we have a specialized psychological counselors who provide our services to us, Internal Complaints Committee, ICC.
I welcome you all to the GLA University. A warm welcome to all the students joining us. GLA University has zero tolerance for sexual harassment. We have an internal complaints committee as per the Government Act of 2013, which is being constituted for prevention and redressal of any form of sexual harassment. I am sure you all must be knowing what constitutes sexual harassment. If somebody is looking at you in indecent manner, or posting you some messages on social media, or following you, so all this constitutes sexual harassment. Anytime you face any such problem, please don't be afraid, don't hesitate. Immediately report to Internal Complaints Committee, where we very judiciously do the investigations, and your security both on campus and off the campus is of prime concern. So we maintain full confidentiality when carrying out the investigations, and if anybody is found guilty, then strictest punishment is given to them to the extent that their degree is withheld or they are rusticated from the university. So ours is an equal opportunity campus. We ensure that you have a very healthy, safe and secure stay here at GLA. So have a fun-filled life here at GLA for a wonderful experience. I welcome you once again to GLA University. Thank you.
Now, I am going to show a glimpse of our university comprising of 10 academic blocks, created a legacy. Now it's your turn to bring new laurels to this university.